400,000 house and lot? Sounds too good to be true. Always check if that has a clean title and updated tax. Remember, cheap price can mean a costly problem later. Check if title, that's TCT, Alt CT, legal proof of ownership of the land, issued by the Register of Deeds, safest document for the buyer, the tax declaration or tax deed, not proof of ownership, only for the real property tax purposes, issued by the assessor's office, can be used as supporting documents, not enough for the proof of ownership. Some properties with a tax declaration may have no title yet. Warning: if you are a buyer of property with only tax deed, you are taking the high risk. It might to be fully owned or titled. Now you know. Please follow and share.